Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to get emojis on the lock screen background on the iPhone. So you can get to your lock screen to add emojis by swiping down of the middle of the iPhone and one long hold pressing, and then press this little blue icon in the bottom right hand corner to add a new lock screen. However, you can also get to this page by going to the settings, then wallpaper, and add new wallpaper here. Both ways will get this same page. Once you're on this page, whichever way you've got it there, press the emoji symbol here in the middle, add new wallpaper, and you'll see the emoji just below that. Now you can select any emoji you wish, and you can select up to 6 different emojis. Then you can press away from the emojis like this, and you can swipe for different looks of how you want the emojis to look. And once you're happy with the wallpaper, you can press add in the top right hand corner, and this will add an emoji wallpaper to your iPhone. So that is how to get emoji lock screen background on the iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.